Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna be digging out this big old mound. It's got that last support underneath the wall above. And I'm gonna dig that out and get the dirt stockpile over here to my left. And then if I feel like it, I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 6x6 beam over here where this current block situation is and get it supported similar to how I have it on the other side, so it's less of a footprint and less in my way. And then after that, I might, if I have room, I'll try to put the other supports in underneath the center of the room. But I'm gonna be wearing my mask today, my full mask, because I don't know if you've noticed or not, I had to take a few days off because I think I got something clogged up one of my eyelid oil ducts with wearing one of my kids' swim goggles. So they were a little bit too small and I think they were a little bit dirty. So just something worth noting: if you have a pool, don't do that. Still getting over it, but trying to keep it real clean. So anyhow, I'm gonna be working on that today. If you have any questions on the project or this video, make sure to drop them in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. Help us get to 500 subscribers. And other than that, hope you enjoyed today's video. Here we go.